Hey, what's up, guys? V here. So lately, I've been looking for a screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector for my Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Looking around on Amazon, this is one of the first ones that popped up by a company called IVSO. I'd never heard of them. Maybe you guys have. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna be installing it as well. If you have not had a chance, please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up, everybody? B here. So I am back. This company, IVSO, again, it was one of the first ones, glass screen protectors I found on Amazon when I looked. I will have a link in the description below for this. I'm going to be doing this a little bit different. Somehow I corrupted the audio on this. It just wasn't working right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little voiceover with it. Comes with the 2 alcohol wipes, 2 stickers for the to get the lint off of the screen. And then the lint wipes, which you see me wiping the screen with. I suggest you use the alcohol wipes first on the screen. And this is a tempered glass screen protector, 9H hardness, the hardest you can get for a screen, the 9H protection. So the micro, it also comes with a squeegee card. And this is supposed to be shatterproof. So, and when they say shatterproof, what they mean is it's not going to crack and just go all over the place. So when you crack, you're just going to see the little webbing or the spider webs or so it won't, you're not going to drop it and it's going to break into pieces of glass and you have to worry about stepping on it or something on the floor or leaving it down there. It's going to stay intact pretty much. So you see me here wiping the screen down, giving it a good wipe down with the alcohol wipes. You really want to make sure that you get everything on this. You don't want lint trapped under the screen. Far so good. So I'm going to go in now. I'm going to grab the stickers here. And what the stickers do is they take any little small particles of dust or anything, it's going to get that off and it'll appear on the stickers. So you want to make sure you get the whole screen on that. Yeah, so recently I dropped my phone. I cracked the screen on my phone, and this is what made me say, okay, maybe I better get a screen protector. Because I've never gotten it before. On the cases I had the screen protectors, comes with the little plastic one that's really annoying. So I usually pull those off even because it messes with. I have the Note 20 Ultra, and it just feels like weird with the S Pen. So I just take it off usually and use it with the glass. So anyhow, let's get back to this case here, or the screen protector here. Now I'm going to install the screen protector. Now, again, this comes with 2 protectors, so that's pretty cool, I thought. And it's really simple. I'll have the stickers on telling you which one is the front, which is the back. Has the camera cut out there, so you don't get any distortions with the camera. I actually never used a camera on my tablet, ever. So anyhow, pull that off. Then we're going to go down and place the screen protector on. You'll see on my first try here, I don't quite get it. I just like for you to see the mistakes also. I just want you to see that, every time you see a video and they're doing it perfect on the first time, it doesn't always end up like that. Or most of the time it doesn't end up like that, especially if you're rushing through. I was kind of rushing, trying to get it done and instead of taking my time. So you really want to make sure that so the right way to do this is to lay one end down. I'm going to hold it down, as you'll see I'm going to do here in a second. Give me a second. What I'm doing, these bubbles are going to take forever for me to get out like this. So I'm going to skip ahead. Give me a second. Hold on. Okay, so here I relifted it. And I dropped it down the exact same way as I did it before. So what I did is I went back, laid it down on one end, and I kind of, as you can see, I kind of slowly move up. Still has some air bubbles, but I'm gonna get those worked out, and you can get them worked out too. If you do have to keep lifting, you can do that as well. And sometimes you do, to get the bubbles out, you just have to do that. So it also helps if you have the squeegee card, and for some reason I didn't see mine in the box, so I just used my hands and fingers to get all the bubbles out. But anyway, I finally got it installed. You see the screen clearly, looks nice and everything. I think there was something in the corner I was looking at, a little bubble up there. I was just trying to get that out. So we're going to move on to a sensitivity test on here for the screen to see how it writes and everything. I'm going to use one of my random characters I was doing. So as you can see, well, we had the line tool on there, so that looked like it wasn't, it's working pretty good. That was just one of the tools I was using on my drawing. I'm going to use a quick scribble, a couple of scribbles here. So it works well. Overall, I'm impressed. I really am happy with this screen protector. Plus, it was a pretty good price, though. I will, again, leave the link in the description below for you. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my case that I received. I did do an unboxing of this case and install. It's the Poetic Revolution case. I'm going to just see how it meshes with the screen protector. So I'm going to do a quick install here for you. Pop the front on. I'll also have a link for this in the description below. Again, I had it on my other video. I'll go ahead and put it in again. It's a really nice case. I actually like it. So from what I see here, I mean, no problem at all with the install as far as the screen goes. Meshing well with the screen protector. This is V. I'm out.